Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new here, consider subscribing down below. Today I'm going to do my first haul video. Yesterday was my birthday, and so I went to Ulta and picked up a few things. Some of these things I'm sure you've seen already or might already own. Some of them I already own and just got replacements for, so I just thought I would share some of the good stuff I got. So here we go. Bum bum bum. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Ah. Okay, so obviously this is a new Urban Decay palette, their Naked Cherry palette. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I guess I'll swatch a couple of these colors for you. I don't know if you can see that. This is like I'm new to the swatching world. That is so pretty. That's kind of just like a shimmer color. Let's do Bing. This is really pretty. It's a matte. Whoa mama, look at that. Super pigmented. I mean, what more could you ask for that? Expect some looks with that. Let's do brushes. So if you don't own any Morphe brushes, I would recommend running to the store and getting them. They're so affordable and they like feel like luxury brushes. They're amazing. I got the Morphe M510 or 510. Another fan brush, because the fan brush that I use to like bronze my face in all my videos, Shani, this one, I don't know if like that's readily available for people, and I don't want to recommend brushes that they can't get. So and then I got this one. Oh, it's got the description on it. Let's back this up. All right, so soft fan brush. This one here is this one doesn't tell me on this one. Okay. All right, this one is a under eye bullet brush. Like that. This is the M581 brush here. I would probably use this one for contouring or even under the eye for setting powder. This is the Morphe M433. This is just another, like I would put this into the crease, like a crease brush. Thanks. Thanks, brain. And then the M441. And this one is just like a really fluffy blending brush. I have a slight addiction with blending brushes. So here's another one. This is an M532. And then I saw this E.L.F brush. It says it's a contouring brush. So super excited to try using that. So I mentioned in another video that I really enjoyed the Ardell Faux Mink lashes, and so these are the 811. These are really good lashes. The reason why I like them is because they're super fluffy and full. You know, like when you get those lashes that are like sparse and just look cheap. And they really super thin band, so if you want to double them up, I plan on doing like a super glam look where I double up my lashes, so I can show you guys how to do that. But let's move on to lip products. My daughter grabbed this one, so this one is for her. But if you're into this color, it's called Oh My Dolly, and these are the Wet n Wild's liquid catsuit. So who knows, maybe I might use this one day. She's 3, by the way. And then this one is called Nudie Patootie. And then this one looks so pretty. This is like a color that I probably have 300 of, because I just always go for these like mauve-y colors. Liquid lipstick in the color Rebel Rose. So, ooh, this is totally my jam. This color here is so pretty. Kind of looks like what I'm wearing right now. There's Nudie Patootie and Rebel Rose. Those are really pretty. And I just think we should swatch this one that my daughter wanted, so we're going to. My 3-year-old has good lipstick taste. Look at that. Pow! Pink. And then I got a lip pencil. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner in the color Nude Suede Shoes. I really like the NYX Soft Matte Lip creams. Is that what this is called? Yeah. But anyways, this one is called Cairo. Another good nude. That's really pretty too. So this is a new lip liner by Wet n Wild. It says it's a gel lip liner. First gel. I don't know what that means, but it's kind of a cool color, I thought. It's called Lay Down the Moths. Surprise, another mauve. And then I was out of my favorite primer in the whole world, so I got some Professional. Some NYX matte setting spray. And then I have been dying to buy some like liquid eyeshadows, and so I heard good stuff about Wet n Wild's their liquid eyeshadows, and you can't beat the price, so why not? This one's called Cashmere Love. So let's open this up and check it out. Ooh, that's pretty. That's gonna be a good one. All right. Oh, I picked up some more the NYX HD concealers that I use all the time and love. 02 and 03. This Wet n Wild, this eyeshadow is like totally dried down. And it's not even moving. That's incredible. So since it was my birthday, they gave me like a ton of samples. And so they gave me this from Lancome mascara. Big is the New Black is the color. And it's called, I don't even know how to say this, Monsieur Big. Let's open this bad boy up. It's a little sample. Whoa, buddy. That's a big applicator. And they gave me a Clinique. It's a daily booster with pure vitamin C to brighten, even, and retexturize. So it's just like an anti-aging serum. And let's see. I don't know. Looks pretty cool. I got a Smashbox Always on liquid lipstick in the color, not for resale. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't say what color. I have no idea what color this is. I'm sorry. I don't know why it doesn't say the color on there. It's very odd. That is dark and beautiful. I'm going to look online and figure out what color this is for you. Because that's unfortunate that, unless the color is not for sale, which I doubt. And then they gave me, ooh, a primer. So this is Maybelline, and it's Master Prime Primer. Visibly smooth, prime skin with hydration, lightweight formula, does not clog pores. So I have dry skin, so I'm really excited to try this. And this is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Alright, bigger, blacker, badder. So this is little guy. It's not little though. It's pretty good size. Alright, so I think that's everything. What a mess I have here. But I'm super excited to try some of this stuff. And it looks like we got some good colors to work with on the lips. Letting me know if this is something that you guys want me to do more of. Do you like hauls? Do you want me to share with the things that I've got? I know there's like a lot of holiday stuff coming out now, and so I can do a video on that if that's something you guys are interested in. Just let me know in the comments below. But thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Up there?
Yep.
All
right. Hi everyone. Thanks for my little starting off the gate. Please consider. Alright. Yada yada. Let me know. So thanks so much for tuning. Expect for some more applicator. Sorry. It's late. Okay. Now that we're all, I like it.